Bonjour, hi everyone. This is Ruby, Montreal professional guide, and we're in my favorite place, of course, the historical part of the city, which is Old Montreal. And during our walking tours, I will have you discover in less than 3 hours how, by looking at a building and its stone, you'll easily be able to recognize when the buildings were built. So to start with, we'll start with the period when the French were here. And if you look at the building, it's made of field and broken stones, pitched and pointed roof, S's in the walls. We also have these floors, and at one point until 1813, just like in the UK, more windows you had, more taxes you paid. So we can see that the family were wealthy. Another let's say visitor to this house was the person who's on the $100 US bill. His name was Benjamin Franklin. So what was he doing here? You'll learn about this during the walking tours with me. À bientôt. See you soon.